welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Okay, so today I'm gonna show y'all how I slay my eyebrows. It's really simple, easy once you get the hang of it. So let's get started. So first I start by brushing out my brows to the desired shape, and then I start outlining the bottom of my natural brow shape, and then I do the top and connect the bottom tail to the top tail, and then I start to shade it in to the desired darkness and thickness, and then I use my concealer. I take a little bit of product off of the tube onto the brush, and then after I do that, I start to underline the bottom of my brow as close as possible so it can get sharp. And then I do the same at the top very carefully, and then I bring it down to connect to the bottom. And then I take my brush and blend the concealer. This is the most important part. And then I take my spoolie and brush out the front to give it that faded effect. And then I take my concealer again, along with the flat brush, and conceal underneath where I just brushed out in the front. And then I do the top again, connect it again, and blend it again. Then I brush it out again, and I repeat this step until it's looking how I want it to look. And that, you guys, is how I do it, okay? Keep in mind that your eyebrows are not going to come out perfect every single time. Always remember that your eyebrows are sisters and not twins. As you can see right now, mine are sisters, they're not twins. But sometimes they look like cousins, but on a good day, they look like twins, and sometimes they look like sisters. But they're not going to be perfect every time. Mine are definitely not perfect every time. I wish they were, but you know, it takes time to achieve, so yeah, this is as good as it's gonna get, and that's how I do it, guys. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe.